Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1994 Honda Del Sol. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium and is from Fast and Furious movies. It's new for 2026, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So before we deep dive, there is a quick look for you guys. I think it's nice. It's good to have some of these castings in Hot Wheels. So here is the Honda Del Sol out of its box. First thing first, it's finished in white, which actually looks good. But I think I would, because it's from the movies, obviously they had to do white color. But I think it looks really good in blue and red, like blue and red separately. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front you can see there's a lot of good details. Obviously it's a premium, so we expect those kind of details here. So you can see it has got a detailed headlamp, a signature light I would say, because if you see there's like this second lamp there, which is kind of signature for this car. You got the Honda badge, a lower gear finished in black, both the mirrors, windshield wipers, again good to have. Coming to the driver's side, a lot of good details here, especially like the wheels. I don't think I've seen those in any premium before, and they would look something you would put on a modified Japanese car. I think so. You've also got a turn indicator detailed here, which looks good. Fuel filler is also on the driver's side. Chrome wheels with rubber tires, they look good here on the Honda Del Sol. Now it's a, I don't know if it's like a what do you say, like a remove, I think it's called targa top, or it's like a convertible. I'm not sure about this one. Might be targa top, the way the design, not sure. On the rear, again some nice details. You can see detailed tail lamp, a number plate which reads Del Sol. I can't read what state it is from, I'm not sure. They also got the Honda badge, spoiler on the trunk, and a single exhaust at the bottom. So a lot of good details on the back too. Passenger side looks almost identical, only difference no fuel filler here. And this is how it looks from the top. So you can see the interior that's finished in gray with some details there. And this is how the base looks. Minimum details on the base. It's metal, by the way. Overall, I think it's a really good looking casting. The headlamps remind me of older Honda Civic though. Yeah, it's nice to have some Japanese sports car premium. They look good. And I think if you can find one, which shouldn't be hard now, but in the starting it was, I think if you can find one, you should get this one. It's a really good looking casting, and I think you will like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.